Hello and welcome to 2 Minute Revision, and in this short session we're going to look at cards number 81 to 84 all around percentages. Don't forget you can download your digital copy to watch and read on your device, or you can print them off and make yourself a nice set of cards for revising with, for functional skills in particular. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right in there. So, card number 81, percentages. Well, what are percentages? Well, they're part of 100. And you can see in that circle there, if that's split into four lots of 25 would equal 100%. Because it's out of 100%. And that's split into 4 segments there. So 100 divided by 4 means each segment is 25%. There are many different values for percent, and a lot of the time it's used for discounted shops or percent used for VAT and other such things. So the method for finding the percent of an amount, whatever the value is, you divide it by 100 and times it by the percent that you need to find. And let's look at a couple of examples on card 82. So the method is the value divided by 100 times by the percent. So the first question, what is 30% of 200? So the value is 200. We divide it by 100 and multiply it by the percent we need to find, which in this example is 30. 200 divided by 100 and times by 30 gives us a value of £60. So 30% of 200 is 60. What is 45% of 400? So we use the method, the value divided by 100 multiplied by the percent, which is 45 divided by 100 times by 45 gives us a value of £180. So 45% of £400 equals 180. So card number 83 is percentage increase or decrease, and there is a method for this. It's the value divided by 100 and then times by the percent we need to find, but then we add or subtract to find the new value. So for example, I want to buy a jacket that costs £90 with a discount of 15%. How much will that jacket cost? We take our value, divide it by 100 and times it by 15. So 90 divided by 100 times by 15 equals £13.50, which means we're going to get £13.50 discounted off the price of the jacket. So the price I'm going to pay is £90, take away the £13.50, which gives me a new price of £76.50. Here's another example. My car tax costs £56 and it is increased by 25%. How much will this now cost? So we'll use the formula, the value divided by 100 times by the percent we need to find. In this example, 56 divided by 100 and times by 25% gives us a value of £14, which means my car tax is going up by £14. £14 is 25% of the value. So 56 plus 14 gives me a new price of £70. So my car tax will now increase by 25%, cost me £70 in the future. Card number 84, the formula for percentage change. So it's the change divided by the original value, divided into the original value times by 100. First question, TV sales increased from 68 to 90. What is the percentage increase? So we work out the change, and the change is 90, take away 68. We've sold 90 and we used to sell 68 TVs. So the change, the difference between the two is 22. So we then take that 22 and divide it into the original value, which was 68. 22 divided into 68, then multiplied by 100, gives us a value of 32.3. So sales have increased by 32.3%. Second example, my hours have been reduced from 40 to 35. What is the percentage reduction? So the change is 40 take away 35, which gives us a value of 5 hours. So my hours have changed by 5. 5 divided into 35 and times by 100 calculates the percentage decrease. So 5 into 35 times by 100 gives me a value of 14.2%. So my weekly hours, have changed and dropped by 14.2%. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe and subscribe.